Hey, before we dive into the video, we just wanted you to know this. We are going to explore this topic using Zoho Sheet, a cloud-based spreadsheet app, and it belongs to Zoho's Office Suite. Zoho Sheet has got a lot of collaboration features that makes your teamwork in real time super easy. And here's the most important part. Your data is completely secure. Unlike some other platforms that use your info for ads or even sell it to third parties, Zoho Sheet is all about privacy. We don't track you, neither do we sell your data. Plus, it includes all the essential features that you might be looking for in a spreadsheet. You can find more information on the website, and the link is given in the description below.
In today's topic, we'll show you how to create an actionable to-do list in a spreadsheet using Zoho Sheet. Let's say you have a project named Project A and you have different tasks associated with it and a deadline for every task. These details go into the sheet like this with the task ID, description, priority, deadline, and different phases of every task that will lead to completion, and finally the progress and status columns. The progress and status columns will be updated with formulas, and for this, let's begin with having a checkbox for each of the phases. For this, select the range of cells and go to Insert menu and select Checkbox. Once this is done, go to Progress column and enter the formula as COUNTIF and select the range of cells from initiation to closure phase. Enter the condition as true and divide it by COUNTA and select the same range of cells. And now change the number type to percentage here. Once this is done, you can tick a checkbox and you can see the progress level is updated. Now let's move to the status column and I'll enter the formula. I know it's quite a lengthy formula where I've used different criteria to update the status of every task. I've provided this formula in the description along with the link to the template for you to download and use it for your to-do list. To give you a context, I've used let, left, ifs function and I've referenced the progress and the deadline column. So, when you tick a checkbox, the status will be updated. For example, when the deadline has been crossed for any task, the status is overdue. And similarly, when the deadline has not been crossed yet and a task has not been started, the status is pending. Now let's start ticking the checkbox to see how the status is updated. For any pending task, when you tick a checkbox, based on the deadline and the current date, the status will be updated. In case if the deadline is 10 days or more away from the current date, then the status is in progress deadline distant. Similarly, if the deadline is 5 days or lesser from the current date, then the status is changed to in progress deadline approaching. And when an overdue task is leading to completion, the status will be changed to completed. And when a task that is completed well before the deadline date, then the status will be changed to completed early. The progress level, the status will be updated. So all you have to do is to tick the checkboxes and the rest is updated accordingly. We hope you found this dynamic to-do list useful for managing your tasks and you'll give it a try in Zoho Sheet. For more such videos, you can subscribe to our channel.